In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Drive video into your WordPress website. This process is straightforward and will allow you to seamlessly share content hosted on your Google Drive with visitors on your site. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to get this set up. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. Once you're there, locate the video you wish to embed. You can search for it or scroll through your files until you find it. Now click on the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, next to your video file. Hover over the Share option in the drop-down menu that appears. You'll then want to actually click on Share, which will take you to a new pop-up window. In this window, you might see that your video is set to Restricted, which means only specified people can access it. To change this, click on Restricted. Next, switch it to Anyone with the link. This adjustment ensures that anyone visiting your website can view the video once it's embedded. After you've made this change, click Done to save your settings. Now return to your video and click on it to open it. Once the video player loads, you'll see a familiar three dots icon on the upper right side of the screen. Click this and select Open in New Tab. This option makes sure that your video opens in its own tab, which is a necessary step to access the embed code. Once you've opened your video in a new tab, click the three dots again. This time you'll look for and select Embed Items from the list. A new window will pop up containing an iframe code, a snippet of HTML you need to embed the video on your WordPress site. Highlight this entire code and copy it to your clipboard. Next, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the page or post where you want to embed your video. Once you're on the page editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. In the search bar that appears, type Embed. When you see Custom HTML as an option, click on it. This will create a new section where you can paste HTML code, paste the code you copied from Google Drive into this HTML block, then click Preview to ensure everything looks and plays properly. By following these steps, your Google Drive video should now be embedded on your WordPress page. Remember, this method allows you to host and share videos without using physical storage space on your WordPress site, which is both efficient and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.